Hi all. One of the questions I have been getting from the product management community is how can we use AI effectively in coming up with the product requirements? In today's video, we will try to address that, and I'll also provide some examples in the comments. So to start with, when you start defining a product features, when you start conceptualizing a product, you first want to come up with high-level requirements of that product. So you can use ChatGPT or Copilot. Start with a simple prompt. For example, create the product requirements for launching a fashion brand online. This is the same example I'll use in the comments. So you can see the outputs that ChatGPT has generated for that. So that will give you a high-level definition of the features that your product needs. And then you can drill down further, ask for competitor data, what are the competitor fashion brands that are online, what are the key features, etc. So you can refine it further. Always try to use AI as a companion for your thought. You can get the data from what AI generated, refine it further with your experience, expertise, and the vision that you have for the product. So at the first step, AI will help you generate the high-level product requirement. Then you refine it with additional prompts, additional questions, and then you come up with a refined list of requirements. Then after that, for execution, you can ask ChatGPT or Copilot to break down these requirements into epics, features, and user stories. So all the manual work that is required in breaking down these into additional details, a lot of it can be covered by AI. Again, once you get the output, you go into each of those epics, features, and make sure your requirements are captured in additional details. What helps with AI while using AI for generation or ChatGPT or generative AI for generating your requirement is to have a template ready, as we call prompt engineering. Giving the right prompt gives the right output. So make sure you review the first output that you get from ChatGPT or Copilot, refine it with your input, refine the prompt, and get a better output in the format that you want. Once you have generated the features, it is time to break it down into user stories. When you break it down into user stories, use a format that is automation friendly like Gherkin, which will write the scenarios that will be implemented with the user story. And in the user story, also ask for list of positive and negative scenarios. What you will see is that the ChatGPT or Copilot can generate a number of positive and negative scenarios that you might not have thought of while conceptualizing your product. So use it effectively to capture all your positive and negative scenarios and edge cases. Now it's time to generate test cases. So you can give the user stories generated as an input, or in the same window or the same chat, you can ask the tool to create automation test cases. So this will make sure that from day one, you are focusing on automation of testing of your product. I have added a basic example. Feel free to experiment and come up with a refined example and share in the comments. Thanks for watching.